This video explains how to create a quiz from the new content experience in Brightspace. Creating a quiz with the new content experience provides a fully immersive layout that lets you customize every detail of your quiz. With the content experience enabled, you can create a quiz either from the Quizzes tool or from the Content tool. From the Content tool, select the module where you want the quiz to be created and click Create New, then choose Quiz. Next, fill in the quiz details, including the quiz title and the grade value. Select Add to Gradebook to edit or link to an existing item in the gradebook. For practice or formative quizzes, select Not in Gradebook. Add a due date, if applicable, and add a description. Under Availability Dates and Conditions, select a start date and end date for your quiz. Click the Add Availability Dates to Calendar checkbox to add your quiz dates to your calendar. You can also add release conditions, manage special access, set a password, control users' IP restrictions, and lock each attempt to a single login session. Under Timing and Display, set a time limit for your quiz. Control how questions are displayed by adjusting your quiz's paging and choosing whether to shuffle quiz questions. You can also display hints to learners, hide question point values, and disable email, instant messages, and alerts within Brightspace while they take the quiz. If desired, you can add a header or footer to your quiz. For attempts and completion, click Manage Attempts to set how many times learners can take your quiz. You can add your quiz to a category if desired. Enter an email address if you want to receive email notifications when learners complete your quiz. You can also manage completion tracking for your quiz if you want learners to meet specific conditions when they finish a quiz. Under Evaluation and Feedback, you can enable point deductions for incorrect answers. And set publication options for your quiz, like auto-publish quiz results and display a grade and specific questions when learners submit their quiz. Customize quiz results displays lets you edit how quiz results are shown to learners. To create a new quiz question, select Create New, then New Question on the quiz creation page. Select the question type. Fill out the question details. Note that written response question types require manual grading. To create another question, select Save and New, or select Save to return to the quiz creation page. To upload a file containing questions to your quiz from your personal device, click Add Existing, Upload a File. Click Browse Files or drag the file into the Upload a File window. Then click Import All. To organize your questions into sections, click Create New and choose Section. Enter a section title and optionally, section text. Select the checkboxes if you want to hide the section title and text from learners or shuffle the questions in the section. Finally, click Save or Save and New to continue creating sections. To move questions to a section, select their checkboxes and click Move to Section, then select the desired section. You can also select Browse Question Library to reuse questions from previous quizzes in your course. Select the checkboxes for the questions you want to add to your quiz, then click Import, or click the arrow beside the import to choose whether to place the questions at the top or bottom of the quiz. If your quiz includes sections, select the checkboxes for the questions you want to add, then click Import to Section. Select the section where you want the questions to be placed. You can assign 0 points to a quiz question to collect non-graded information such as feedback or personal input. To edit a question's value, click on the question. As another option, you can select Import from Learning Repository to browse and select learning resources for your quiz. Edit the quiz visibility using the toggle button. Then click Save and Close. Your quiz is now created. If a grade item was added, it will appear in your gradebook. Date and grade information will be visible based on quiz details. Now you know how to create a quiz from the content tool in the new content experience. Thank you for watching.